জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
I am very glad to see this trip though. Trust me, I'm really glad to see both of you right now. This daughter of mine has always been unfortunate. She has at least found your love.
I don't understand the meaning of love. I understand what gratefulness is. I'm indebted to Nayan. If it wasn't for Nayan today, then I wouldn't have been standing here alive in front of you. In order to repay Nayan, I'm ready to go to any extent possible. But Mr. Karmakar, tell me something. It's true that the flowers were poisoned, right? I mean, when the flowers were in my room, they were already poisoned. Then who poisoned them?
Sir, I know who poisoned the flowers.
Nayan,
No, policeman, you don't have to say anything. I know that the law doesn't believe anything without proof. So I'll gather all the proof.
fine. So be it then. Since such a despicable allegation has been made against you, you have to find out who the real culprit is, okay? Come on, my child. Now we have to go to Mr. Topabrata Basu.
Yes, sir. Sir, we have to go to father right away. We can't delay. Let's go.
Nayan, we are going home, but what's wrong? Why are you behaving like that?
Yes. Nayan, what were you saying about Mr. Topabrata Basu? Tell me what...
No. Actually, father must be waiting for us. That's why. He must be worried about us. That's why I'm saying let's go, sir. Let's go, come on.
Wait, Nayan. Nayan, what are you hiding from me?
No, I'm not hiding anything, sir. What will I hide?
Nayan, I've understood you a bit in so many days. Tell me honestly, what are you hiding from me? Mr. Karmakar, what were you saying about my dad? Did Nayan say anything to you? I see. She has forbidden you to open your mouth, right? Fine, you don't have to tell me anything. Whatever it is, Nayan will tell me. Nayan, tell me, why did you become so anxious suddenly? Tell me. Nayan, you know very well that it's no use keeping quiet in front of me. If you don't tell me, I won't let you go home.
Why are you being stubborn, sir? How do I tell you what I have seen? Father is in grave danger, sir.
Hello?
Hello, is this Mr. Karmakar? This is Ripto's aunt speaking. I'm calling you from brother's phone because your number was saved in his phone. Has Deepu reached the station?
Yes, he's here. But what's the matter, Pratima? Why are you so worried?
Please ask Deepu to come home immediately. Brother has fainted. He fainted in front of Kalpana's photo.
What? Okay, fine. You don't worry. I'll inform him. Mr. Basu is unwell. He has fainted.
No!
What happened to Dad suddenly? That he fainted. When I left home, he was absolutely fine. In fact, he was worried about you. Then what happened suddenly?
What do I tell you, sir? I've seen such a horrible scene. And with father fainting, it seems the prediction will come true.
Will you apply altar to my feet for one last time?
Dripto, sir? Sir, please calm down, sir. Nothing will happen to father. So please keep your cool.
Nayan, why are you saying all this so coldly? As if someone's forcing you to say all this and you aren't saying it from your heart. Nayan, what's the matter?
How did I say it? I am...
Nayan, wait. Look at me. You've been hiding something from me. What is it, Nayan? Nayan, don't be quiet. Answer me. Why were you assuring me like that? Tell me. Nayan, answer my question. Nayan, answer my question.
What will I say, Dripto, sir? Now the doctor will say whatever has to be said.
Wow. Wow, Nayan. If the doctor had to say everything, then people wouldn't hope anything on their own. They wouldn't need any consolation. Everything will be fine. Nothing will happen. Don't worry. Father will be fine. You've been consoling me like this. You can say all this. If we get a little hope, we want to hold on to it and live, Nayan. Don't you understand that? Nayan, you never seemed so insensitive, you know?
Actually, when my father passed away, I was very young. I don't even remember him clearly. But I understood how a father is and how father's love is when I met you, Father. Why will you take father away, Mother? Why?
Nayan, what have you been murmuring since then? Who will take whom away? Who are you talking about?
No. I didn't say anything, sir.
You're lying again. Again! Nayan, what did you forbid Mr. Karmakar to tell me? Tell me! Nayan, don't be quiet. Answer me. Speak out, Nayan.
Nothing, sir. Nothing. I have nothing to say. Nothing.
What's happening? Nayan is crying, but she isn't saying from her heart that nothing will happen to Dad. Why isn't she saying so? Why?
Open your eyes, brother. Open your eyes. Papa brother was fine a while ago.
It's all my fault. I am responsible for this
Mother.
condition of my son. It's all because
Grandma.
of me.
Grandma, please calm down. Please keep quiet. Don't do this.
What happened to Dad, Mom? I can't figure out. He was perfectly fine.
I don't know. I saw him in this condition when I came here. Jeet and Vicky have gone to call the doctor. Why haven't they come back yet? Call them, Piku.
Okay, Mom, I'll do it right away. Mom, come in. Please come in, Doctor.
What took you so long? Come, examine him quickly, doctor. Save my son.
Don't worry, ma'am. Please don't worry. I'm here. I'll examine him. I'll see him.
In order to come here, Nan needs to be bailed out, and for that she will have to.
Let me do the ECG, please.
Oh, doctor. What does the ECG say? Topo is fine, right?
No, ma'am. Actually, he had a mild heart attack.
Doctor, what are you saying?
Yes. He has actually recovered, but
But what?
look, in such cases, there is a chance of a second heart attack. If that doesn't happen, I would say there is nothing to be worried about.
Thank God. The guy isn't dead yet. That means we still have time to take over the property. Understand?
But why hasn't he regained consciousness yet?
I'll administer him an injection. I hope he'll come around soon. Don't worry. Look, let me tell you something. You will have to take good care of him, understand? I mean, any kind of excitement or stress isn't good for him at all. I'm saying this to all of you present here. Make sure he doesn't get excited in any way.
Here, Aunt Pratima. See, father is coming around.
Dibu, where is Dibu? Dibu.
Topo has regained consciousness. Jeet, call Mr. Karmakar and check if Deepu has left.
Yes.
Dad,
Deepu?
Deepu is back, brother.
Dad. Dad, what happened to you? I had gone out for some time. How did all this happen to you? What happened to you, Dad? No, Dad, nothing will happen to you. I am here for you. Nothing will happen to you, Dad.
Topo, Deepu has come back. Nothing will happen to you now. Weren't you looking for him? He's back. He's here. Now talk a bit, son.
Deepu,
Yeah, I'm right here, Dad. Did you want to say something? Tell me.
Deepu, could you bring Nayan back, please?
What? Even in this condition, you are thinking about Nayan? Why are you asking Deepu about Nayan? Is it possible for him to bring Nayan back? She's charged with an attempt to murder. She won't be granted bail so easily.
Exactly so. In order to come here, Nayan needs to be bailed out, and for that, she will have to appoint a lawyer. And we won't let that happen. She must be punished for what she has done.
Papa, brother, forget Nayan. Please forget Nayan. You are in this condition because you keep thinking about her. She is not a good girl. I'm telling you, please believe me. Even if the court acquits her, we are not going to let her enter in this house. There's no way.
But I am already here, Andurba. Father!
Nayan, you have come back. You have come back, my child.
Father, I've come back. I've come back. Sir brought me back, Father.
I knew Deepu could do it. Deepu could do it. Now I will be able to die in peace. Now I'll be able to go to Kalpana peacefully.
No, Father, please don't say so. Even if I put my hand over his mouth, will I be able to stop anything?
Don't cry, child. Look, Mr. Basu is very fine. He's better. Nothing will happen to him.
It's no use, Doctor. It's no use giving me false hope. Father isn't well. These are false hopes. Everything is a lie.
Jeet, I'll leave then. You get the medicines, all right?
Yes, sure. You carry on. I will bring your stuff.
Okay, bye.
Deepu, please come out. I need to talk to you.
I'll talk later, Aunt. Right now, I need to be here with Dad.
He is fine, Deepu. If you are with him, he will talk to you about several things and get excited again. Come with me, please. Sanjukta, Vicky, you both please come with me.
Aunt, please listen to me. Why are we...
I won't listen to you. I have asked you to come and you will. That's it.